Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class. In the previous video of Rain on the Roof, I had given you explanation of Stanza 1. Today in this video, we are going to start Stanza 2 onwards. So here we start. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy beings start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof, as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now, dear children, first of all, the word meanings. Tinkle meaning short, light ringing sound. Shingles, rectangular wooden tiles used on roof. Echo, repeated sound. Woof, weft, that is the thread woven across the loom. Patter, the sound of raindrops falling on the roof. Busy being refers to human beings, and here the poet is referring to himself. Now the explanation of this stanza. The poet is expressing his feelings when he hears the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his house. He says that every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, the sound repeats in his heart, and in his dreams he has many different fanciful imaginations. He adds that this sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind. He recollects many memories of the past, which comes back into his mind as dreams. So he says that as he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. Now, dear children, the poetic devices used in this stanza are alliteration, the repetition of a consonant sound in two or more consecutive words. Busy being, B sound is repeated, so here alliteration is used. Their thread, TH sound is repeated here. Rain, roof, R sound is repeated. So these three are the example of alliteration. Next is onomatopoeia. It is the use of sound words to create a dramatic effect and auditory imagery. Tinkle, patter, sound. Meaning when sound suggests its meaning, that is called onomatopoeia. So tinkle and patter are the example of onomatopoeia. Personification, treating a non-living thing as living being. Recollection is personified when he says that they weave dreams. Now transfertipith is also used here. The use of an adjective with a noun when it refers to another noun. Dreamy fancies. It does not mean that the fancies are dreamy, but refers to the people who have dreams. So here, dear children, transfertipith is used. Now, stanza 3. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreams ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her frown look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Word meanings: ere meaning old poetic word for before, dawn meaning daybreak, list old poetic word for listen, refrain a repeated part of a song or a poem. Hear the sound of the rain. Here the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother, as he had told in the very previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive. In the past, she used to love him a lot. She used to consider him a darling, and she would let him sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listens to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his room. The sound of the rain makes him correlates his past with his present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past and he reminded of his mother. Now, the literary devices used in this stanza are alliteration, the repetition of a consonant sound in two or more consecutive words. So, here the examples are memory, my, mother. So, M sound is repeated, M consonant sound is repeated here. That is why alliteration is used here. Next is darling dreamers. D sound is repeated here. Onomatopoeia, another literary devices, the use of sound words to create a dramatic effect and auditory imagery. Patter sound of raindrop falling on the shingles of the roof. So, dear children, this is all about your poem. I hope it is followed properly. Thank you, everyone.